Today I'm checking out a turnkey Willow floor plan by Ramar Homes on just under 2 acres, 2,400 square feet, and only $669,000. I hope you enjoy this one. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, I'm John Murray, a Halifax realtor with Keller Williams Select Realty. Now what I do on my channel is I give new construction home tours and visit all the new developments going up all around and outside the city of Halifax. If you're interested in this, or just thinking about moving, buying, or selling anywhere in the area, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the notification button to make sure you stay up to date with everything that's happening in all these new communities. What's up everyone? Today I am in the Ridgewood Park subdivision out in Brookside, just outside Halifax. Now I'm shooting this indoors today because it's really windy outside. So I'm gonna put up the map of where we're at. We are about 20 to 25 minutes southwest of downtown Halifax. So if you're working somewhere like the QE2 or Dalhousie, this is a very convenient commute for you. Now if you have to go to the airport a lot for work or you're traveling, this might not be the best fit as we're 40 to 45 minutes away, depending on how quickly you can get down Prospect Road. Now, there's close by necessity shopping, like convenience stores and stuff, just not too far from here. But for any of your primary shopping, you're looking at about 15 to 20 minutes down to Bayers Lake. Again, Bayers Lake is one of the biggest commercial hubs we have here. You got Costco, your Home Depot, grocery stores, restaurants, cinemas. Everything is there and it's really not far away at all. Now, if you're still wondering if Brookside is the right fit for you, let me tell you a little bit more. So again, we're not too far from the city. Here you're gonna have a little bit more privacy of wooded lots. They're between 1 and 2 acres. And your money goes a little further here than it does in some of the other premier subdivisions outside the city of Halifax, but we're really about the same distance away. Now we're completely surrounded by nature. There's lakes and beaches nearby. There's 2 golf courses within 15 minutes. Granite Springs would be the 18-hole course. If you want to drive an extra 10 minutes, you can get out to Brunello. That'd be about 25 minutes away. Campbell's Point Beach is close by. As I mentioned, there are lakes. McGrath Lake and Moosehorn Lake are the bigger lakes that are near. So if you like kayaking or paddleboarding, this could be a really great area for you. Also, there's a great school catchment here. I'm going to put the schools up on the screen for you to see. As always, if you have any more questions about this neighborhood or any other neighborhoods around the city, just reach out and I hope you enjoy the home tours. Okay, so before we go in to check this Willow model behind me, I think you can probably tell it is incredibly windy today. We're expecting a storm. I just want to remind you, I don't represent any of the builders on this channel. I have great relationships with them and their listing agents that allow us access to view these homes. Now, there are other models by Ramar available. Now in this development, they're almost finished. The Silverwood model, I believe, is the closest to completion. I'll put the specs up on the screen for you to see. As always, if you have any questions, just reach out. We're gonna go in and see this home. All right, so we are gonna check out the Willow floor plan by Ramar Homes today. As you can see, we're looking at a 2-story home. It's a 4-bed, 3.5 bath with a double-car garage. It's 2,404 square feet. The lot we're sitting on today is 1.9 acres, but remember, we're always just kind of focusing on the actual floor model because I don't know when you're going to be seeing this video. Today's price is $669,900. Let's go on in and take a look and I'll get out of this wind. So they're just putting the finishing touches on it now. As you can see, they're still finishing the front steps here. It is lumber we're standing on. So, just gonna get the door shut, take my shoes off. So as we come into the entrance here, you're gonna have a closet. Over to the right is gonna be our garage door. Stairs going up, and this is gonna be our living room area, and then out to our dining room. So, here's your coat closet when you come in. Again, we're standing on tile, and that's laminate. It should be hardwood going up the stairs. So you've got a big double car garage here. You've got baseboard heating. Give you a nice long look. There's your panel over there, 200 amp. So it's slightly lower than the main level here, just by grade. So there's 2 steps. We're gonna come on in. There's your ductless heat pump. So again, I always mention ductless heat pumps. They're very efficient with your bills. They're gonna cool your place in the summer and blow hot air in the winter to keep your place warm and keep your power bills reasonable. So you have that along with your baseboard heating. So obviously we're open concept here. Just give you a little spin around. Nice big windows going out to the front. The lot I'm on today obviously is, the grade comes down, but it won't necessarily be depending on where you want this built around the city or outside the city. And again, if this is your first time checking out my channel, thanks for tuning in. And if you are interested in new construction or resale homes, I'd be happy and honored to have a conversation with you. And if you already have a realtor, that's cool too, but I do help people just like you every week, so don't be shy. Now, we have dining room and kitchen, powder room, stairs going downstairs, stairs going up. So let's check out the powder room first. It's a big powder room, actually. See that indented space there? So you have baseboard heating in there. So you got slider doors out to your back deck. Because we've had so much rain, finally the snow has kind of melted, so I am going to be able to go out back here and stand on the deck for you. So they got the black spindles. It's a big deck. You can view of the lake there. Yeah, so if you do like a little privacy, this could be a great fit. So I'm gonna have another home built here. I'm gonna go back inside. So don't mind the mess a little bit. They're still installing the range hood. So as always with my tours, I don't always wait until they're 100% new and shiny. I wanna just get in and make sure we get to see the home model before it sells, and I can't get in. So nice undermount sink. We've got their shaker cabinets. Slim shaker cabinets is what they're calling them, all the way up to the ceiling. Okay, I'm gonna give it a shot. They are soft close, as are the drawers. Okay, nice big fridge. So the appliances are not included in the base price, you'll have to remember that. So if you're interested in the appliance packages, they have the Samsung, one of their Samsung packages in here now. I believe I think there's 16 different appliance packages offered through Ramar, ranging between 8,000 and 9,000 all the way up to 17, depending on the model. So you've got a little pantry right here. Now we're gonna go downstairs. So downstairs, we're gonna have a 4th bedroom, a full bath, a walkout, and a great rec room. So it could be a great spot for a little guest swing for family members or guests. as it's got everything they need. Doesn't have a kitchen, but lots of space down here. So right when we get to the foot of the stairs, there's your utility room here. Everything for your well, your hot water tank, your air exchanger. You have a little set tub there as well. So your fourth bedroom's right at the foot of the stairs here. Give you a look. It's got a baseboard in here for heating. It's laminate floor throughout. And your closet. Okay, so again, we're at the foot of the stairs. This is just your understairs storage as per usual, but great space to have. There's your rec room. We'll go in there in a second, but your 5-piece bath, sorry. Okay. So this rec room actually, it's not a straight rectangle. You've got this extra bonus space here. Not sure if my camera's picking it up well enough, but I'm gonna do my best. So these windows obviously look out to the back of the house, and your walkout door is actually over to the side of the house. So it'll be on the left side of the house. I'm just gonna stand in the corner here so you can see that little extra indented space there. So lots of ideas you could use down here as in most finished basements. Great family rooms or movie rooms or somewhere to throw the kids, get them out of your way, whatever you need. So keep in mind when we're on a lot of these tours, the lots do not come landscaped, so that's a cost you're gonna need to factor in. I did forget to mention they do have pot lighting out here through the main area, along with their chandeliers and everything else. Let's go upstairs. Again, it's a lot of house for $670,000 for a brand new house. Things are getting more and more expensive. This is a really good value. So I'm at the foot of the top of the stairs. To the left is the primary bedroom. Your laundry is going to be in this closet here. You've got bedrooms 2 and 3 and your main bath here. So we'll open up where the laundry's in. Okay. No wasted space, which is good. Try to not slam the doors on you. So this would be your main bath that these 2 bedrooms would share. Countertops, vanity. So this bedroom here is on a bit of an angle. Now, if you want to know the sizes, you can always reach out to me and I will happily send you the floor plans or answer any questions or concerns you have. And don't be shy about leaving some comments. Hopefully they're good. And even if you want to ask some questions in the comments, I'll get back to you. So you got a linen closet here, just outside of the 2 bedrooms. This would be the other bedroom. These aren't the biggest 2nd and 3rd bedrooms. I'll be honest about that, well, I'm honest about everything, but if you did have a teenager, I imagine the teenager will want to sleep down in the basement. This would be great for young children. Still good sized rooms. They're not small. Or they're not too small, I should say, but this one is a little bit tighter. It'd be great little office. Okay. We're gonna go down to the primary. We'll finish off in there. So the primary is going to face the front of the house. I'll give you a look around. It's good size. You got a heat pump in here, which is great. I love to control the temperature in my bedroom when I'm sleeping. So it's a great thing to have along with the baseboard heating, nice big windows. And you have a huge walk-in closet here. Great size. Look at this thing. And we'll finish off over in the ensuite bathroom. You have beautifully tiled all the way to the ceiling. Stand-in walk-in shower here. A single vanity as well. So I get the fan on, turn that off. Yeah, so this is a great home for, especially for the price down here, for just under $670 for a brand new turnkey home like this. So let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions at all, my information's always on screen. And as always, I will see you on the next tour. Make sure you subscribe. You have a great day.